Hi, in this video, let's take a look at the payback period, which is another investment appraisal method. So it's defined as the time needed to reclaim our initial investment purely on a cash basis. So there is no discounting involved here. So let's take a look at the first example here. So let's say we have a project number one here, and this project spans across 3 years. So during the first year, I have to invest 400 here. And during the first year, it's going to pay me 100, and the second 200, and the third year, which is last year here, it's going to pay me 300 here. So according to definition here, I need to calculate how many years I need to wait until this 400 is reclaimed. So is it going to be repaid in the first year? No, because that's only 100 compared to 400. So is it going to be repaid during the second year? Still not, because that will be 300 accumulated here, and that's still fewer than 400. Okay, so is it going to be repaid at the end of year 3? Not quite, because that will be 600 in total. So we know the payback period is somewhere between 2 years and 3 years. So I only need to calculate how much more do I need to recover this 400 after year 2 here. Okay, so at the beginning of year 3 or at the end of year 2, I have already accumulated 300 here. So I only need 100 more to reclaim the 400 initial investment. Okay, so how long does it take for me to receive that 100 out of that 300? So we're going to assume that all the payments are linear, which is to say the payments are evenly spread out throughout the year. So how many years do I need? I need the first 2 years, which is 2 here, and plus that 100 over 300. So that should give me 7 over 3, or 2.33 years. Or if you would like to put it in months, so that will be 2 years and 4 months. Right? And that's the payback period for this project. So remember, there's no discounting. We're purely doing it on a cash basis. Okay, we'll talk more about the payback period, its advantages and disadvantages of using it, and we'll compare it to the NPV in the next video.